Hello! We're back on another episode of Better Pet Parenting. Today we're going to speak to Aseem from Prani Mitra. So Aseem is a final year veterinarian student. She's actually a certified vet now. And she started Prani Mitra a while back to actually help facilitate adoption requests. We're going to talk to her about everything she's done on Prani Mitra and also what she thinks everybody should know before they adopt a dog as well. If you've got any questions at all, she's a vet student, so anything that you think that she can help you with on that or anything around adoption, please feel free to use the chat and kind of ask those questions. I'm just going to invite her to join as well, so you guys can keep putting your questions in the chat if you have any. Hello. Oh, she's here. By the way, if you're wondering where I'm sitting, I'm in Munnar, and you can see all the greenery behind me because it has just rained and it's brilliant weather. So I'm sitting outside and doing this. Hi, Asim, I've sent you a request in case you're watching this. I think it's should have come. Yeah, it really is. Some issues with joining. Ah, hi.
Hi,
How are you?
hello. I'm good.
Hi,
How are
Asim.
you?
I'm good as
Very
well. I
happy
was
to be
just
here with you today.
very happy to have you. I have just been chit-chatting random nonsense with
Yeah, I
everybody
was
who's
there. I
been
had
on
sent
here.
you a request.
Awesome. So
I'm
Asim,
very
I
jealous
was
of
just
you.
telling
आप
everyone.
केरला में हो अभी.
I know that's the only thing I have now going for me. But yeah, it's brilliant weather, so I'm actually glad that we've been here for the longest
Yeah.
time, getting to utilize it better. So Asim, we know you started Prani Mitra and the fact that you're also a vet, right? Could you tell us a little more
Yeah.
about how you got started on doing this and what really motivated you, and where you see Prani Mitra going?
Yeah. So first of all, I would like to congratulate Veespluit because I like your content and it's very creative. It's amazing. And
I
so
should be
about
saying that to
Prani
you.
Mitra.
Huh.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much. So last year in lockdown, uh,
Mm,
I started Prani Mitra. As we all come
okay.
across these adoption posts and adoption appeals about so many rescued animals and people who are fostering them, they want to get those animals adopted. But
Right.
then I was thinking about a way to connect these people with people who want to adopt pets.
Hmm.
So I thought of starting Prani Mitra, where people who want to get their pets adopted, they can just post
Yeah.
a few pictures of them and some information, and then people can just
Right.
go on the website and just call directly, or they can just mail to that person. So it becomes very easier for the person. And currently, I've started adding veterinary clinics and veterinary doctors on the platform, and
Mm-hmm.
also different NGOs and veterinary companies too. So the plan is to make this website a one-stop solution for all the animal-related problems and for all animal owners.
Nice. Nice. I think
Yeah,
that's great. And I think, I mean, that's definitely a gap that exists right now, right? That you really have to find vet services,
yeah,
especially in the lockdown. I think I'm sure you must have faced that as well, right? A lot of people are
yeah,
struggling
yeah.
because vets in their towns are shut. How do you get online consultations? Right? There's this
Yeah,
huge
that was
talk
a
around
huge
that.
problem during the lockdown. Yeah.
Yeah. But it's amazing that you're kind of doing this, and I think, I mean, I have a lot of hope that this actually becomes something, across the country. What
Thank you so
cities are
much.
you
Yeah.
kind of focused on right now?
Currently, we are focusing on Mumbai, but then when people are approaching from different cities too now, so I
Yeah.
am planning to post different listings from those cities also to get
Okay.
more people from other places on the website.
Yeah, yeah. No, I think that'll be really great because I mean, a lot of people ask us also that where can we get a dog or how do we adopt? And it would be great to have one resource where people could just, put in their city and
Yeah,
be able to find
yeah. So
dogs
like
near
if
them.
I'm from yeah, like
Yeah,
if I'm from Pune, I'll just go on the website,
yeah,
I'll put location Pune, and then I'll come across so many dogs and cats who are up for adoption in that area. So I can just directly
yeah,
contact the fosterer.
yeah. I think that's amazing. And so now because you've got all of this experience, right, as a vet as well, so I'm
Hmm.
guessing a lot of your advice is going to be also medically backed because you've
Currently, I'm a
studied the
veterinary
subject.
intern right now,
Yeah,
but yeah, I can surely help a bit.
yeah. So now when somebody thinks about adopting, right,
Hmm.
there are a lot of things that I think become barriers in people's minds when they think of adopting, right? What have you kind of seen over the years? I know you've made some content on it, but I thought it'll be great to hear, like in depth a
Uh,
little bit.
yeah. Could you repeat what you said because there's some problem from my side in the
Oh,
network.
yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah.
Huh? I was saying that I'm sure, I mean, working in the field and kind of working with a lot of these adoption requests, you must have heard a lot of excuses or reasons people have to not think about adoption, right? What are some of those
Hmm.
most common ones, and how will you sort of counter those if you had to?
So the major problem is people want breeds, and
Huh.
most of the animals who are up for adoption are mostly indies because those are the
Hmm.
animals who face most of the problems. Like
Right.
they get into accidents and they have to be rescued. And breeds
Hmm.
are mostly ones which are abandoned pets, so people
Right.
don't want them because
Hmm.
अभी मतलब हमें पपी चाहिए जो ब्रीड है और जो मेल है so
Hmm.
that's a barrier. So
Got it.
in that
Hmm.
area I'm trying to spread awareness कि ऐसे नहीं होता, like females also you will get her neutered right at an age,
Hmm.
so it doesn't
Hmm.
matter if you have a female or a male, but then
Hmm.
you have to read up about it. और ऐसे नहीं बोलना कि हाँ सिर्फ हमें
Yeah.
मेल ही चाहिए ब्रीड ही चाहिए बिकॉज ब्रीड्स के भी इतने प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं बिकॉज दे आर नॉट फ्रॉम हियर, तो उनको स्किन कंडीशंस हो
Right.
जाते हैं, अलग अलग प्रॉब्लम्स हो जाते हैं. बट देन आई अग्री कि
Hmm.
कई लोग नहीं संभाल पाते बड़े ब्रीड्स लाइक
Hmm.
इंडीज, मतलब उनको एक्सरसाइज की जरूरत है सो दे नीड स्मॉल ब्रीड्स. बट देन इफ यू आर
Right.
एबल टू अडॉप्ट an indie, then why not? That's my
Hmm.
point.
Right. Yeah. No, I think that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Okay. So one problem that you see that people usually have is that, okay, we want to breed instead of an indie, right? And I mean,
Yeah.
apart from, and one you mentioned also is that people like males more than females.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah,
maybe one
yeah.
aspect of
And
that would
then,
be, that, huh. And then what else?
then these people with male dogs, they then want
Hmm.
female dogs for mating, and they don't get
Oh,
female dogs for mating because no one is getting
huh.
females. So yeah, that's a
Ah,
problem.
sounds very familiar from the human world also. But yeah, I mean, hopefully with the kind of awareness you're doing for everybody watching, Aseem makes some really amazing reels. So if you want to be entertained, please just go on their page and watch
Thank you
a
so
bunch
much.
of those. I've spent
Yeah,
definitely,
my friends
many.
help me a lot with those reels.
No, but they're hilarious. I definitely end up bringing a smile to my face whenever I watch them. Um,
Thank
so
you.
now if you had to give, tips to people who are looking to adopt, right? Okay, we've convinced somebody watching to actually go for an
Hmm,
adoption rather than buying a
hmm.
dog. What should be the things that they should keep in mind, while they're going through the process and once they get the dog home?
Yeah, so I've made a list here. I with me.
Awesome.
So सबसे पहले when you want to adopt a puppy, हमें एक माइंडसेट बनाना है कि एक बच्चा अडॉप्ट कर रहे हैं बेसिकली, ह्यूमन बच्चा.
Hmm.
तो फिर उसके हिसाब से हमें माइंडसेट बनाना है कि उसके लिए हमें मेंटली प्रिपेयर रहना है, फाइनेंशियली प्रिपेयर रहना है. एंड देन यू हैव टू डिस्कस दिस विथ योर फैमिली मेंबर्स और whoever you are going to adopt the puppy with, कि आर वी ऑल गोइंग टू शेयर द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, और कौन लेने वाला है. जब हम एक पर्सन घर नहीं होगा तो दूसरा होगा, अगर कोई नहीं होगा तो हम पेट सिटर रख सकते हैं. तो तभी आता है फाइनेंशियल एस्पेक्ट. तभी डॉग बड़ा होगा, उसके साथ डिजीजेस आ सकते हैं, तो उसके साथ पैसे भी लगेंगे. जैसे ह्यूमन बीइंग को लगते हैं वैसे डॉग्स को भी संभालने के लिए पैसे लगेंगे. सो दैट ऑल्सो वी शुड कीप इन माइंड. देन इट्स अ 10 to 15 years ऑफ कमिटमेंट, वो भी याद रखना है. क्योंकि अभी क्यूट लगता है एंड देन वी वांट टू गिफ्ट इट टू अ फ्रेंड, तो फिर हम बिना सोचे दे देते हैं. लेकिन फिर इज योर फ्रेंड रेडी फॉर इट इतने सालों के लिए? वो भी हमने देखना चाहिए. और आप खुद रेडी हो क्या, वो सब देखना चाहिए. सो डिस्कशन होना चाहिए पहले, बहुत दिन बैठ के सोचो. देन या उसके बाद द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज न्यूटरिंग. अभी हम जब पपी लेके आएंगे तो व्हेन द पपी इज 6 months ओल्ड, उसके बाद वेट से कि न्यूटरिंग करना चाहिए. बट नाउ न्यू रिसर्च इज सेइंग कि डिफरेंट ब्रीड्स में मेल और फीमेल माइट और माइट नॉट नीड न्यूटरिंग. सो आस्क योर वेट कि डज दिस डॉग need neutering or no. और आई लाइक टू ऐड अ पॉइंट कि स्ट्रेज में न्यूटरिंग करना ही चाहिए, क्योंकि उनमें बहुत रेबीज होता है. तो फिर आफ्टर न्यूटरिंग अग्रेसिव बिहेवियर इतना कम नहीं हुआ, फिर भी बहुत एक्सटेंट तक कम हो सकता है. सो इट विल रिड्यूस रेबीज स्प्रेड और अग्रेसिव बिहेवियर कम हो जाएगा. देन ह्यूमन और एनिमल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट कम होगा. सो स्टेज में तो हमें करना ही चाहिए. दैट आई वांटेड टू ऐड. Then before you get the puppy, you have to talk to the fosterer. उसे पूछना है कि what was the history, कुछ disease था क्या. Then the puppy's parents, if the fosterer knows who puppy's parents are, then उन्हें कुछ disease था क्या in the litter, if any of the other puppies had any disease, so that when you go to your vet you'll know कि क्या था, and then you can help the vet diagnose if there is any problem or not. So after getting the puppy,
Understood.
Then neutering, then dental hygiene is very important. क्योंकि like us, उनमें भी smell होगी, then there will be plaque, there will be infection. So dental hygiene is very important. उसके लिए you can use brush और toothpaste आता है खास dogs के लिए, or you can use homemade methods like baking soda and coconut oil you can add. उसके you can google it, वो google पे मिल जाएगा how to do that you can do. Then bath, मैंने सुना है काफी लोग every week baths देते हैं अपने pets को, but then if your pet's skin is very good तो फिर every week की जरूरत नहीं है. You can give it every month. But then if you want to still give it more than once a month, then you can use a moisturizing shampoo, so it won't harm your pet's skin. That you can do. Then parasites. Dogs में हम देखते हैं कि ticks होते हैं, fleas होते हैं, then there are worms, पेट में कीड़े होते हैं. तो फिर उसके लिए भी हम vet को पूछ सकते हैं कि कैसे जाना है. But then even you have to keep an eye कि कुछ टिक्स है नहीं है, देन यू कैन रिमूव इट मैन्युअली, और अल्कोहल में हम डाल सकते हैं वो, एंड देन यू कैन एक्चुअली सेव इट, सो पता चलेगा कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ टिक इट इज फॉर फर्दर डायग्नोसिस.
नाउ यू आर स्पीकिंग लाइक अ ट्रू वेट. टिक संभाल के फिर रखो देखने के लिए.
Then vaccination is very important. So vaccination schedule varies with every vet. So आपके vet के पास जाके they'll tell you the vaccination schedule. उसमें rabies होगा, 7-in-1 होगा, everything will be there, and it is very important. अगर वो नहीं दिया, then to treat the disease it becomes a huge problem. तो पहले से
Right.
precaution is very important.
Correct.
Then let's talk about food and exercise. सो फूड में हमें बहुत ध्यान देना है क्योंकि डॉग है इज वेरी क्यूरियस, घर में जाके कुछ भी खा सकते हैं, तो फिर छोटी छोटी चीजें जो वो खा सकते हैं वो ध्यान में रखना कि हाँ ये है और ये खा सकता है तो वो हटा दो उधर से. मैंने देखा है कि सिगरेट वगैरह खा लेते हैं, सिगरेट के बर्ड्स, सो कीप दैट इन माइंड कि वो भी नहीं रखना है. या तो फिर इट माइट लीड टू टॉक्सिसिटी, और टॉक्सिसिटी कैन बी कॉज बाय चॉकलेट ऑल्सो. सो चॉकलेट बिल्कुल मत दो, चॉकलेट मत दो, ग्रेप्स मत दो, और रेजिन्स नहीं देना है. देन इफ यू फील लाइक योर डॉग हैज फीवर तो फिर क्रोसिन मत दो, बिल्कुल मत दो. मतलब यू कैन गिव इट आफ्टर योर वेट प्रिस्क्राइब्स इट, लेकिन उसके पहले नहीं.
Right.
देन अनियंस गार्लिक नहीं देना है. बट देन what all you can add in your pet's diet. उसमें we can add fish, मांदेली ऐड कर सकते हैं, but then bones मत ऐड करना उसके. Then you can add plain cooked rice. You can add
Right.
eggs. Then you can add cooked chicken, boiled chicken. Then honey, peanut butter is good. Avoid sugar, any kind of sugar, because that might lead to obesity. And you can add pumpkin also, carrots, and mashed potatoes.
Right.
So basically, कुछ भी देना है, अगर human food देना है, then just Google it कि can I give this, so it will be much easier for you.
Yeah, that's a good tip.
Yeah.
So easy to do it. फिर भी लोग भूल जाते हैं कि ये गूगल पे मिल जाएगा थोड़ा सा तो आंसर. Yeah.
हाँ. Then next is exercise. Exercise is very important. तो उसमें हमें ये भूलना नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, क्योंकि उनका weight to maintain then their weight is important. So it उसके वजह से दूसरे diseases होते नहीं हैं जब हम weight उनका proper रखते हैं. तो फिर exercise is very important. You can take your weight out, your dog out for 1 hour a day. That is fine. So 1 to 1.5 hour for a day. और the goal is to make them tired. तो फिर
Right.
वो ठीक रहेंगे, मस्त रहेंगे. Then next point is pet sitting. So
Yeah.
कई बार हम घर नहीं होते, and then after 6 to 7 hours you just can't leave them alone at home. So you can consider pet sitting options, or you can just leave your pet at a center where they take care of all the pets. You can do that. And I would like to add a few points जो कई बार हम भूल सकते हैं. Those are never leave your pet alone in a car. कि मतलब थोड़ी देर रह लो मैं जाके आता हूँ, ऐसे नहीं, because there could be heat stroke. उस heat stroke से और आगे problems हो सकते हैं, so that could be fatal also. So please keep that in mind. Then in summer में sunny hours में try not to take your pet out for a walk. Mostly शाम को जाएंगे तो that would be better. Then bones बोलता है कि you can give bones to your dog for chewing, but then if they are cooked bones तो वो टूट सकते हैं, and then they can gulp it down, so अंदर injuries हो सकते हैं. So try not to give cooked bones. लेकिन when you're giving raw bones also, keep an eye कि they are not gulping it, they are just chewing.
Got it. Makes sense.
Yeah, so these are the points I could think about.
Yeah. No, I think this is a great list. I think a very comprehensive list also that talks about everything that you need to actually look at. And I hope a lot of people will actually benefit from this. There's a couple of questions in the chat, right?
I would try to answer these questions, but if I'm not able to, then I'll just read about it and then I'll ask my seniors and DM you.
That is amazing. Bengaluru Bumpkin has a question, right? How soon after bringing a 6-month-old pup can we get her spayed? The worry is if we do it immediately, she may associate post-op trauma with the new home and us. Any suggestions?
I think after a month or two, it should be fine. After the pet is 6 months old, you can get her or him spayed neutered at any time. So as long as after the pet becomes comfortable with you, you can do that, or you can ask your vet when is the
Yeah,
best time to do the
right.
neutering.
Perfect. Hope that answers your question. Cool. Mona Possum is asking, can I feed tomato?
Tomatoes, I have no idea.
But असीम ने बताया कि गूगल करो.
क्योंकि मैंने
More often than
हाँ
not.
गूगल करो, क्योंकि मैंने पढ़ा नहीं है टोमेटोज के बारे में कि किसी भी लिस्ट में पढ़ा नहीं है कि ये दे सकते दे नहीं सकते. सो या प्लीज गूगल इट.
मोना का एक और क्वेश्चन भी है. My dog chews chicken bones properly and then gulps it. Is it fine to feed chicken bone then?
या मतलब अगर प्रॉपरली च्यू करे एंड यू नो दैट इफ ही इज चूइंग इट प्रॉपरली देन इट्स फाइन, बट देयर इज ऑलवेज अ रिस्क दैट आफ्टर चूइंग अंदर इंटरनल इंजुरीज हो सकती है. सो
Yeah.
या आई रिकमेंड कि नहीं देना चाहिए, बट देन इट्स इफ यू नो कि नहीं बड़े पीसेस गल्प करा देन इट्स फाइन.
Okay, cool. Then there's somebody called Firki who is asking, what about training?
Training, I think Garima will be able to tell you better about training. क्योंकि
So, so my experience with training is that honestly, training कोई भी कर सकता है. The only thing that happens is that when you get a trainer, efficiency बढ़ जाती है. Right? So if you want to follow YouTube videos, there's a lot of knowledge out there. You can definitely train your dog at home by yourself. The only thing that happens is that the process becomes a little quicker or errors reduce हो जाते हैं when you get a trainer's help. Essentially, a canine trainer is like a translator, right? So they're helping you understand what your dog is trying to communicate with you or what your dog is understanding when you tell them something. So, I mean, that's what I picked up. Again, I'm not a professional trainer anyway, but this is something that I've benefited from by working with people who are trainers and who kind of explained that this is basically what it is, right? But yeah, anything around fussy eating that you think, Asim, is related to medical issues or anything like that? This is a question that comes up a lot. My dog is mostly well behaved, but he's a fussy eater, but no health issues.
so I think just like us, they have they are choosy, but then I have heard once कि if they feel like they are part of the pack, तो they'll want to eat what you are eating, और जो खुद का
Okay.
खाना है वो उनको नहीं चाहिए होगा. देन तो फिर वैसे यू हैव टू मेक देम फील कि नहीं ये है, ये यू हैव टू ईट दिस, और हमारा खाना नहीं मिलेगा, तो फिर that would work
One
maybe.
thing I've seen that works is with my dog also. I mean, maybe this is that same pack thing that works, right? If we give her food at the same time that we are also eating, I think she
Okay,
just
हाँ.
focuses on her food then. I don't know if it
हाँ.
is that feeling of acha everybody's eating now, but or
हम्म.
it's just that she's focused on her food, but that
हाँ.
has helped. But
Okay,
Firki, if
that's a
you're
great
facing this
idea.
problem, you can always DM me later and we can try to understand why this is happening. Yeah. Sorry, the S dog is asking, my dog is behaving strange recently. He's not eating his food, always wants to go out and is staying near the door all day. And he wants to sit near the window. How to handle this? Ooh. He's saying it's a
Is
sudden
your dog
change. This is
neutered?
because
Is he neutered?
um, you can comment on the chat. Okay, they're not replying. But what happens if they're neutered, for example? Why would this be happening? Okay, he's not neutered, he's saying. Okay.
Yeah, I think you should get him neutered, or maybe training would help. But I think
Okay.
neutering is the so could be
So
the
this could be
solution for
because
this.
of it could be because there's a street dog on heat outside or something.
Yeah,
Because of that?
yeah,
Okay, okay,
yeah.
got it. Makes sense. My GSD is not gaining weight even after neutering. He eats a lot, but still not gaining weight. His blood reports are also fine. He is 16 months old.
तो और उसके ऊपर डायग्नोसिस और वो सब करना पड़ेगा because
हाँ.
blood reports are fine. Have they done thyroid tests?
Mona, you could try that, doing a thyroid test.
You could yeah go
You,
to a vet
yeah.
और proper सारे tests करने चाहिए I think.
Okay. She's saying, हाँ, ठीक है, thyroid test. The other thing is the general principle on gaining weight is, I mean, calorie in should be greater than calorie out, right? So either the issue could be he's getting too much exercise as opposed to the kind of food that he's taking in, which could be a balance that you also want to look at, right? But why don't you message me, Mona, and we can talk about it in our DMs. Yeah. एक और question है. My dog chatters his teeth when he takes rest. What is the reason? Is it an infection? अरे वाह, बड़े interesting सवाल
He
आ रहे
does
हैं.
what?
He chatters his teeth when he is taking rest. Could that be an infection?
When he's
ये सब
sleeping.
पढ़ाया है आपको वेट स्कूल में?
उसको पहले माउथ में प्रॉपर एग्जामिनेशन करना पड़ेगा कि इन्फेक्शन है क्या अंदर देखना पड़ेगा प्रॉपरली.
हाँ. But could that be like
गम्स
a
रेड है
symptom?
क्या
ऐसा
देखना
होता है?
पड़ेगा.
Okay.
हाँ मतलब मैंने ऐसे सुना है कि करते हैं बट देन प्रॉपर एक इन्फेक्शन जब होता है तभी ये करते हैं ऐसा पता नहीं. सो एग्जामिनेशन इज द की आई थिंक फॉर दिस.
Amazing. My dog dreams a lot. Is it fine?
क्या?
Philosophical सवाल आ रहे हैं अब. My dog dreams a lot. Is that fine?
Yeah, it's totally cool. He must be dreaming
But
about you.
actually, the S Dog has another question which is related to the neutering, right? Should we consult a really good doctor for neutering, or any vet can neuter a dog? That's an interesting one.
What's the question?
That should we consult a really good doctor for neutering, or can any vet neuter a dog? What would the answer to that be?
Any vet can perform the neutering. It's a very easy operation.
Got it. कुछ ऐसा होता है
Yeah.
कि the vet has to be a surgeon? कुछ specific
नहीं
I mean, is there a specific qualification or?
नहीं अभी तक तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Any BVSC and AH graduate vet can perform this surgery.
Got it. Okay. Cool. Jayashree has a question. My dog barks multiple times throughout the night. What can I do to reduce it?
Would you be able to answer this question, Karima?
मेरे को लग रहा है basically what I'm taking from this question is that the dog is not sleeping through the night, right? That could be
Maybe
either because the dog is not,
exercise
yeah,
कम हो
correct.
सकती है.
So the
हाँ.
first thing actually you should do is make sure they're tired before bedtime. If that's still not happening, then you require further investigation. But the first and easiest thing to try is really like tire them out. I think this is a question for you. Are you always this calm?
No, I'm not. I'm very nervous all the time, anxious. But then
ऐसा नहीं
I'm very
लगता.
happy today because this is my first live
हाँ.
with you.
So
Please,
sweet. Awesome. So Divi is asking home grooming. Oh, so home grooming क्या क्या करनी चाहिए? Things that you can manage at home.
होम ग्रूमिंग में जैसे बताया बात एवरी मंथ. फिर हम कोम कर सकते हैं बालों को. एंड देन टीथ का एज आई टोल्ड क्लीन कर सकते हैं. देन ईयर्स में देख सकते हैं कि क्लीन है नहीं है. विथ कॉटन क्लीन कर सकते हैं ऊपर ऊपर से. लेकिन अंदर मत डालना क्योंकि वो प्रॉपर वेट के पास जाके क्लीन करना चाहिए. और नेल ट्रिमिंग भी कर सकते हैं एवरी मंथ चलेगा. लेकिन मेक श्योर कि नेल्स के एंड में यू कैन सी अ ब्लैक लाइन. उधर तक ब्लड वेसल आती है तो उसके आगे ही कट करना है. तो फिर इफ इट्स अ पपी देन यू कैन डू इट एट होम. बट देन जैसे बढ़ते हैं इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कट इट. तो प्रॉपर नेल जो कटर होता है जो डॉग्स के लिए वो अगर है देन यू कैन डू इट. from an early age, तो फिर dog को भी आदत होगी. But then if you are not नहीं आता है पहले से, तो you can take the dog to a vet.
Awesome. I think that was a great way to summarize everything. मेरे को लग रहा है कि इतना comprehensive list मैंने खुद कभी सोचा नहीं है कि these are actually everything that you need to think of when you have a dog in general, whether you're adopting, otherwise all of that for sure. But
Yeah.
yeah, thank you so much, Asim, for doing this. I know there are a lot of questions coming in as well. You can reach out to Asim at Pranimitra. So any questions you have
Yeah, you can
on
DM
adoption or
me.
anything else, do reach out to her. Anything I can help you guys with,
Definitely.
DM me as well, always. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Asim, for doing this. It was great chatting with you. Hope we can do a lot more of these.
Yes. It was very nice to be with you here today. And also, I love your
Thank
hairstyle
you.
a lot.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Okay, thank
Bye,
you.
Asim.
Bye bye.